Hi lifestyle lovers, welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. If you are new here, welcome honey. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button before the end of the video. That way you're already part of the It's E Lifestyle family. Okay lifestyle lovers, I am just going to jump right into it. It has not even been a week until I was actually sitting in my bedroom. I did a haul and showed you guys some of the new items that I purchased for the bedroom. And I also talked about some of the items that I was waiting on, which was actually a seating area for my bedroom. So maybe a few days, could have been the same day, after that video uploaded, I'm scrolling, minding my business. And you guys know, if you have searched for anything online, if you're scrolling on Facebook or you're scrolling on Instagram or you're looking at other sites, that particular item pops up. It's some type of Google thing anytime you search for something. The particular seating item that I was waiting on to come back in stock, which was a Chaise, popped up on my timeline. I don't know what I was searching on. So I just happened to click on it because I knew that it was not going to be back in stock until 2021. So I just happened to click on it and it said it was available. So I'm thinking, okay, can't possibly be available. So the Chaise is actually sold through quite a few different retailers. So I checked other sites and it said it was available. I ordered that Chaise so fast. It's sold through Wayfair. Overstock also sells it. It's made by Safavieh. I think I pronounced it wrong on the last video, but it's actually made by Safavieh, and they make rugs, they make home decor, they make furniture and all of that stuff. That is the particular brand, but I actually end up purchasing it from Overstock simply because I've dealt with Overstock before. Their shipping is absolutely fast, their customer service is great, and they are always sending me coupons. So I believe I had a 15% coupon in my email and I ordered it, and it's here, lifestyle lovers.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to
Isn't it absolutely gorgeous, lifestyle lovers? This Chaise arriving early was a perfect Christmas surprise. It is absolutely perfect for the space. As you can see, I'm like 5'3". I fit perfectly on the Chaise. I can sit comfortably on the Chaise. I can fit pretty much my whole body. It's perfect for the space. And this particular wall is not that long. It's probably a little over 60 inches. And this Chaise is about 57 inches. And I believe 28 inches high. So I just wanted to come on camera and just share this with you guys. There's nothing else that needs to be ordered for my bedroom. So the next thing coming up is actually going to be a bedroom tour, and it'll be sometime next year. I did order some pillows off of this young lady who sells pillows on Instagram. I don't typically order anything on Instagram, so I'm hoping and praying that it looks exactly like it does on Instagram. But I did order some pillows for my bedding. I am going to add a pillow to the Chaise and maybe a little side table right here. That way, you know, when I'm sitting here, if I want to just sit and, you know, kind of lotion down my legs or have a cup of coffee or a glass of wine, I'll have something to sit it on. So I think I'm going to do something very small and dainty that'll probably go right here. That way I can just use it when I'm sitting on the Chaise. And I also think I'm going to add a picture light right above this particular wall art. And that's pretty much it, lifestyle lovers. I hope everyone had a happy holiday and a Merry Christmas. Me personally, I thank God that it is over, honey, and we can move on to bigger and better things in 2021. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. Just me wanting to share this new addition to my bedroom with you guys. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.